we head to the city to try out their famous boba spot.
What's up guys, today we are at Black Sugar Boba Bar. We're about to go check it out now. Thank you. Alright guys, so we have our milk tea or latte and milk tea here. I over here got the mango matcha latte. And you?
I got the roasted oolong milk tea with the boba, yeah.
Both of them are on the favorite list. So yeah, me, you know me, I like my mango. I like mango matcha. I'm loving the look in this drink. You see the mango, the yellow, and the green is the matcha, and the boba. That's a lot of boba in there. I mean, check that out. And you?
Mine is already blended, just because I got bored. I wanted to mix it.
Alright, now let's give it a try. Cheers.
A lot of boba in there.
Yeah, there's a lot of boba.
It's got a nice toasted flavor, a little bit of bitterness, but not overwhelming. Oolong tea, which is really good. Boba's nice and chewy, and milk tea's not too sweet for me.
Alright guys, so I mixed up. Now let me give it a real try now. It's good. Taste the mango like that. You can taste the shredded matcha in there. It's like powder, a little powder in there.
Yeah, the boba is nice and chewy here too.
I like how it's like, you know, at some boba places, the boba at the center of it becomes hard. This spot is still soft, so it might not be warm no more, but still good. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Subscribe to us, so yeah, we have a lot more boba videos coming soon. So until then, travel ahead.